Thank you for tuning in to LockeyUSA videos. This video will demonstrate how to change the code on a 1000 series lock. The tools you will need to change your code are the supplied tweezers that came with the lock or a set of needle nose pliers. You will also need a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Step 1. Remove the lock from the door or gate completely and then grab the combination lock body. Step 2. Using the number 2 Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 red screws. As you finish taking off the 4 red screws, carefully remove the cover to make sure that none of the springs fall out. Step 3. Press and hold the C button. While pressing and holding the C button, move the red pins to the numbers or letters that you would like the code to be. Failure to press and hold the C button while changing the code will void the warranty and may damage the lock. Step 3 continued. Once you have the red pins in the correct position for your new code, you will now fill in the empty slots with the blue pins. In this example, I am changing the code from 1057 to 1234. Each pin has a small bump on one side which will fit in the slot easily. The bump points up on the right side of the lock and down on the left side. If the pin isn't going in easy, don't force it, as you probably need to flip the pin over. Also, the color on each pin must always face up. While changing the code, you may release the C button after pulling out or inserting a pin. However, you must always press and hold the C button while actually pulling out or inserting the pins. You cannot replace the R pin with a red or blue pin. The R pin must remain silver in order to maintain the passage function feature. If you wish to disable the passage function feature completely, press and hold the C button and pull out the R pin. Do not put a pin in the R slot, as it will cause the lock to not work properly. Step 4. Carefully put the cover back onto the lock and fasten the 4 red screws. Before installing your lock back on the door or gate, check to make sure your code is working. If the code is working, you may now install your lock. If you have a double combination lock, you will need to follow steps 1 through 4 to change the code on the other side. If you need more assistance, please visit www.LockeyUSA.com or give LockeyUSA technical support a call at 888-395-0163.